Okay then, in this question it says a company manufactures two different sized boxes. Both boxes are cuboids and are a similar shape. The total surface area of the smaller box is 132 centimeters squared and the length of the longest edge is 12 centimeters. The total surface area of the larger box is 297 centimeters squared. Calculate the length of the longest edge of the larger box. Pause the video and have a go, and I will go through the question imminently. Okay then, you can see I've started here with my top tip. Now whenever you're talking about similar areas, similar volumes, similar lines, similar edges, similar shapes in general, you want to think of these rules. When you're working with lines, you're doing the small line times by what we call the scale factor. That means how many times much bigger it's going to get, and that will give me the big line. When we're talking areas, small areas times by the scale factor squared will give me the big areas. And for volumes, small volumes times by the scale factor cubed will give me the big volumes. So reading this question here, I'm told the surface area of the smaller box and the surface area of the larger box. So I've subbed into that middle line of my formula here, of these formulas that I've learned, okay? So that needs to be in your head. I've then said that's 132 times by the scale factor squared to get 297. I've then divided both sides by 132, and that's given me 9 over 4, which is also 2.25. I've now square rooted both sides, so you can either do it by the fraction or the decimal, it really doesn't matter, and your calculator will tell you the answer is 1.5. Going from here now, they want me to work out the longest edge of the larger box when I know that the longest edge of the smaller box is 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters times by 1.5 gives me 18 centimeters for the bigger box.